So I've had a couple of these type of consoles anyway, but I've never recorded a video. I've never made a video of this particular problem. This is the triple beep of death. I've always had them. I've always had a lot of them and I've fixed them, but I've never made a video and posted about it. So now, once you plug it in, you're going to hear that sound. Let's plug it in. So, okay, now I think you're going to get the sound immediately. So that's it. And after that, it will not turn on. No other beep. No turn on. So it's a power problem anyway. So we're going to tear it down to the motherboard and then get it fixed. You can see the BIOS is plugged with either soda or something. They've worked on the motherboard before. I can see that that same thing is around this side here and it's still on the BIOS. So I'm guessing that is the reason that the BIOS is not coming up. But even if I clean this up now, I would definitely have to rewrite the BIOS. So let's clean it up and then write the BIOS. Just in case you are going to be using the BIOS machine yourself, you always have to make sure that you see this point where there's this dot here. It always has to face one. If you put it the opposite direction, expect it to blow up. Expect it to blow up. If you put it the opposite direction, you expect it to blow up. So always make sure it is this dot here is facing one. You get it. I am back over on the system and I'm going to plug this in to the system. So that's plugged in. New programmer for BIOS. So go to new programmer and I'm going to open my new programmer. You need to know the what do you call it, the version of the motherboard you are reprogramming. So for this case we have EDM 010, so that's EDM 10. So what I will do, I'll first of all click on detect to make sure it detects the BIOS chip. So that's that's this is the BIOS chip right here. So I'll select the BIOS chip and then we'll go here, we'll read the IC to make sure it's functional. You can see. So just because it is reading the IC does not mean the BIOS in it is valid. The BIOS in it has a corrupted file that is in it now. So we'll have to load the BIOS, the new one here. This is EDM10. I already have the EDM10. Here is it. See, EDM10 original. That's why I wrote it origin. So that's the original version of the EDM10. So I'm going to load it onto that BIOS. So once you click on open, you then come here and click on write. Where is it? Yes, write IC. So once you click on write IC, it's going to program the new file into the BIOS. So that's what it's loading now. So you can see it says successful. So that means it's done here. So I'm going to take it back to the workbench and then put it back on the motherboard. So now it's time to remove it from here and then place it back on the motherboard. So this is done. Let's test it. Let's put in the Peace.